Welcome to Aletha Health, and congratulations on taking the first step to freedom from tension and pain. The orbit is designed to apply broad, gentle pressure to relieve tension in the psoas at the front of your hip. Although the orbit is quite effective for your psoas, it does not reach your iliacus. The orbit can be used in the release zone for those starting with a very tight psoas or to warm up the area for deeper pressure with the mark. Additionally, the broad shape allows you to safely target the section of the iliacus and psoas below the hip crease near the groin. Start on your side. Position the orbit in the release zone to target the psoas, using your knee and forearm to support your body weight. Gently lower your entire body to the floor. Straighten your leg back behind the body if you need more pressure. Take slow, deep breaths and relax your body. Maintain this pressure for 90 seconds or more. Move the orbit around to find up to 3 tight spots on each side. Experiment with pressure below the crease where the psoas and iliacus tendons attach to the leg. Release tension, eliminate pain, and return your body to its original state. Be as you were.